So my name is Claire, and myself and my husband have been foster carers for Foster Wales Monmouthshire for nearly 5 years. Yeah, it wasn't kind of a quick decision. It was kind of something that we thought about for quite a few years, and I'd met some wonderful foster carers as part of my job, and I felt like they can change children's lives really, and I felt like we could do that. It's really important that people understand how difficult some children's lives are and how much support they can need. We've cared for 15 different children. They brought so much joy, each one of them, and something which has made fostering, really enjoyable and really good. Yes, they can bring a lot of challenges, of course they can. And there might be some times when you think, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do now. But you do work it out. You do work it out. Actually, you don't need to know everything. That's really, really important because the training that you get is excellent. I've got some really good friends now that are foster carers who've made really, really strong friendships, which is really nice. You do get a strong sense of kind of community from other foster carers. And I think unless you contact your local authority and make those inquiries, you're not going to know that. So I'd say to anybody that's interested, just ring. In terms of Foster Wales, I think what they're trying to do in terms of keeping children local is excellent. The children need to be in the areas that they know. They need to be able to go to their local schools. They need to be able to be with their friends. And you ensure that child, you're giving them the best possible care to the best of your abilities. Yeah, it's really kind of added something really special to our lives, I think. I can't imagine now not doing it.